Mill Road. Walk sign is on the cross. Randall Mill Road. Randall Mill Road. Walk sign is on the cross. Randall Mill Road. Randall Mill Road. Walk sign is on the cross.
Exclusively at the Home Depot. How doers get more done. U.S. only, limit 2 per customer, valid through December 15th.
And as bad as this team has been, talking about the Jaguars against the rush at times, they've got some studs up front. You mentioned
Plus, get the electrical boxes, switches, dimmers, and conduit you need to complete the job. Load up today and every day. Do it right for less. Start with Lowe's. Offers valid 12/5 through 12/11 U.S. only.
Lights are on at TIAA Bank Field in Jacksonville. And all the lights on the Chargers so far, 24 unanswered.
Hello. Hi.
Guys that don't know, that is a card that was made roughly, I don't know, 3-4 years ago, probably 3 years ago, but it's a very good card for gaming still. Very good card. And someone was selling it for $100. I was really hyped. I messaged them saying, I'd like to buy it for $100. I thought, you know what, I'm not even going to haggle that. It's a good deal. So what time can you pick it up? They said, you can buy it now. I said, okay, where are you located? They said they were near me this morning. So I was like, all right, let's go meet up. That's why we were in a rush earlier. And they say, you got the 100 cash, you headed there. They're asking all these questions. I'm like, yes, I'm headed there. Yes, I'm driving there. What's your ETA? I'm like, you're asking way too many questions. Like, what is going on? Is this stolen? I mean, not that I probably haven't bought stolen things before. And then they say, I ran out of gas a mile away. Can you come here, Flamingo and Rainbow by Jack in the Box? I'm just like, that's the same parking lot as the Starbucks. Why are you last minute all of a sudden trying to change the location of where we're meeting? Then I say, it's actually in the same parking lot. They're like, yeah, but we're a mile away. I said, no. Like, you're literally right there. So I take the computer, the really nice one, because I don't have a GPU test bench anymore. What's going on? I had my iPhone recording. This ghetto couple, here's the story. So I was actually supposed to be getting an EVGA 1060 3 gigabyte card. For those of you guys that don't